This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Senior Research Scientist Robert Faber. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home LOC multi-purpose cleaner, black shoe polish paste, a white handkerchief, and a bowl of warm water. This demonstration shows how Amway Home LOC multi-purpose cleaner can remove an impossible stain such as black shoe polish from hands, while also showing how it cleans up after itself by removing the resulting polish stains from the handkerchief as well. First, smear a small amount of shoe polish onto the back of one of your hands. Add a few drops of LOC multi-purpose cleaner onto the soiled part of your hand. Rub the liquid carefully to disperse it over the entire stained area. Now, wipe your hand thoroughly with a clean handkerchief. All of the polish will come off your hand onto the handkerchief. Next, dip the handkerchief into a bowl of warm water and agitate it thoroughly for approximately 1 minute. Now, lift the handkerchief from the water and wring it out. Open the handkerchief to show that the stain has disappeared. This demonstration proved the amazing stain-removing ability of Amway Home LOC multi-purpose cleaner. Not only did it clean up a notoriously tough-to-remove stain from the skin, but it also removed the stain from the handkerchief used to wipe the soiled hand.